Hi everyone, welcome to Shopee tutorial for beginners video, the best place for Shopee seller tips and tricks. Do you know images with standard captions are no longer enough to drive interest? Brands should consider creating interactive posts with dynamic content to encourage and drive user interactions. Seller looking to connect with shoppers and drive higher engagement on Shopee Feeds should create visually appealing and interactive content. This is simply because Shopee Feed encourage user participations and communicate rewards, see a higher engagement consistently. So today, I'm going to share with you how to intentionally create contents that encourage user engagement on Shopee Feed. And what's the purpose of doing this? It is simply allow more potential buyer to visit your shop, products, and increase your sales. So if you're first time here, hi, I'm Vernette, I'm the e-commerce coach. I help corporate employee who start in 9 to 5 to start e-commerce business and coach them to become the expert in the field. The brands that involve user participations and included reward in their Shopee feeds saw a higher return of user engagement. On average, Shopee feed posts that contain rewards see 8 times more likes and 7 times more clicks per post. Brands that use quiz elements in their Shopee feed posts also see 6 times more likes and 7 times more clicks than an average post. So with that being said, right, I have summarized for you 2 simple ways of how you could create high interactive contents to be used in your Shopee feed post. Ready? Let's go. First, encourage user participations in running giveaway and quizzes. Brands that use video and higher quality product photo in their Shopee feed posts generally see a better user engagement compared to when they use a static image with a standard promotional offer in the caption. Ensure that call to actions is clear, simple, and easy for user to know exactly what to do. This increases user willingness to participate in your giveaway. An example of a straightforward call to action would be encourage user to follow your shop page or like and comment on your post. Second, use video and quality images for clear product visualizations. Video and higher quality product photos see a higher engagement as the user is able to better and clearly visualize how the products look like from various angles. Create product demonstrations or tutorial video to show user how to use your products. For example, fashion brand can share tips on how to mix and match outfit to give a different look. Ensure your video and photo are taken with a good lighting and showcase your product from different angles. Now, if you got to this point of the video, please comment, I want more e-commerce tips in the comment below so that I know you are absorbing all the information I shared with you today. Not only this, if you are someone who loves to go beyond on how Shopee business works, click the link in my description box below because I have extensive free training to show you how to tap on Shopee store to build your solid e-commerce business as a long-term business. As always, guys, I appreciate you and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I can't wait to see you next week.